What's up? Today we're cooking pasta with the salmon half and half. It's a wild catch salmon, as you see. Just watch it, yes. So we will need, of course, pasta, onion, garlic with a dill, and then another onion. And of course it's going to be half and half. We have to cut salmon into small little pieces. Of course we have to peel the skin. Make sure you don't miss any of little piece of salmon. Yes. After peeling the skin, we have to make a small pieces like this. It was frozen before, now we unfroze it. It's still a little there. All right, once we chopped our salmon, what we need to add, salt on your taste, pepper, one spoon of flour. Then we have to mix it. I would call it marinade, but you can put salt or pepper on your choice. Some people like more, some people like less. I forgot, guys, about squash. We have to bake it for a couple of minutes. I like to use that vegetable. You can use red pepper or green pepper, it's up to you. But this is, instead of that, is fine as well. Now, I boiled the pasta, also it's ready to use. Now after I bake the squash, I'm going to bake salmon, as you see right here, salmon, till it's kind of ready, maybe 80%. Okay, cabbage is ready. Now, salmon. Put the light on, where's the light? Here. Few minutes, you don't need much because we already chopped the salmon, and as you know, salmon is pretty fast cooking. I can smell already that wildness from the ocean. You know what I'm going to add? Onion. Ooh la la! We say in Russian, пальчики оближешь. You're gonna lick your fingers. It's going to be so delicious in the end. What next? We're going to add the squash. You know, I always think the squash is a cabbage, but my friend's saying that it's completely different thing. It's good. Now, next, adding squash. You see, I'm right this time. The most important ingredient is half and half. Everything is squeezing inside of my stomach now. And again, I want to add some garlic. Without garlic, we're not going anywhere. Now the next step is to wait till the pasta will take the whole juice, half and half sauce in it. Leave it like for 5-7 minutes. Salt them, salt, pepper. It smells just amazing. All right, our pasta is ready with a wild catch salmon, squash, onion, garlic, half and half, salt, pepper. You know what we forgot to add? Scallions. Jesus, I repeat you before, do not try it on the empty stomach, and I tell you that again. Thanks for watching, see you in my next video.